are doing Avalanche Slime, you have to let it sit for 24 hours. We did about 25, and this is what ends up looking like. Well.
So, smile. Now tell me what you did in the slime.
Okay. So, we did, first you have to do the clear slime. With clear slime, you pour in contact solution inside of a bottle, or we did clear glue and white glue, and we made two different slimes, white and clear, and then we put dye on the middle. We made the clear slime with contact solution, and we added baking soda, and then we made the white slime because that had to wait for 5 minutes, and then we made the white slime, and this is what it looks like. I'm not going to stretch it, but it's so cool. So if you go like this, then you can see all the colors, but also whenever you put it together and then you go like that for the inside. It's hard to break mine. Me too. That's what it looks like.